Do you want to know how to keep your social media content for your tourism business on brand and save time creating it? Branded content gets more attention online and helps create brand recognition, but consistency is key. Creating a template that you can use again and again is a great way to be more efficient with your designs and make sure you stay on brand. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video I will show you how to use Canva's free design tool to create reusable and branded templates for your business. So let's get started. Creating a template in Canva is easy. First, open your Canva account and click on Projects. Add a new folder and give it a name. Let's say you want to create a template for your Instagram posts. Now that your folder is set up, you can start working on a template to add to it. Open your folder and click Create a Design. Canva offers lots of preset templates with defined dimensions, so simply search for Instagram post. You can choose between a square or portrait style template. In this case, we'll select portrait because a vertical post is more effective at catching people's attention while they're scrolling. Now let's create a template that you can use on Instagram again and again. Start by adding your brand logo. It's usually in a JPEG or PNG format. Go ahead and upload it. Including your logo is a great way to ensure your content is instantly recognizable and helps create brand consistency. Upload any images that you like to use. Once uploaded, you'll find them in the Uploads tab. Drag your logo onto the blank canvas and make sure to place it in a prominent position. To the top right corner is a good spot for this as it won't block the image behind it. A good rule of thumb is to leave some space between the logo and the edge of the template. Resize the logo by dragging the corners until you're happy with how it looks. Now you have a simple template that you can use to create branded posts for your Instagram page. Give the template a name like branded templates for Instagram posts so you can easily find and use it later. You'll find the template under Projects in the folder you just created earlier. Now that your branded template is complete, you can use it to customize your images. Select an image from your Uploads folder and drag it into the canvas so it fills the template. Make sure to right-click on the image and click Send to Back. You can use this template again and again by simply swapping the image behind it. The logo will remain there. You can also duplicate the template and edit the copy if you want to keep your initial design for later. And there you have it. A simple, easy to use branded template for all your Instagram posts. You can repeat these steps to create templates for Facebook and other social media platforms. Just enter a different search term to find the initial template and save your design to a relevant folder. In other videos, we'll cover how to create stories and reels in Canva, and also how to add more brand elements to your designs. I'll see you next time. And don't forget, for more great content, check out the Keep Discovering Toolkit on the Marketing Toolbox.